Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still here with the Energy God Elephant Man, who is here to perform a new single, Find It. You find it.
Find it.
Tell us how this song came about.
Well, it's like I had the idea from the summer gone last summer, and we have come up with some creative things. So I'm like, I want to bring back the dancing on the dance floor in a way where people can just, go on the floor, do what they want to do. But first, me need a rhythm where I drive, a rhythm where I kick. Something where bring back the fun and the energy there and all of that. You understand? So me I say, you know what? And went into the studio, called Kirkledove, and we build the rhythm and thing, and then I call Scatter and say, what? United we stand, divide we fall. Me not see a unification I go on a Kingston with our music, our dancehall thing. You understand? So me I say, well, link up with Scatter, link up with Joe, Cecile, and we put a team together, left side, Conley, Kirkledove, and we say, let's do this. So we go into the studio, and as me say, me not see what can be unification, because the energy and the love where the song generate from just all of us in the studio, everybody will have talent musically, engineer, everybody, and we just put it together. The greatest thing ever happened.
And I mean, that's good, Elephant Man, Heroes Day on Monday. Who's your hero in music?
My hero, Bob, the king. Yeah, man, great one, man, Bob Marley. All heap him got through, and enough dancehall artists, as you can see, Bob Marley, him living at the Artite, Trenchtown. Him have him museum right up at Hope Road. But Bob Marley, him manager, when me I read a thing about them, manager say, for them kill fear in a cemetery, me make them singing, brother, that wicked, yo. Cemetery, if you kill your fear, that means to them man they not enough fear. So just for sure where Bob them and Bunny and Peter Touch I come from with it. You understand? Playing ball, regular routine, boiling porridge, people line up at Hope Road, give them little tat, them find it, So trust me, Bob and my hero, so big up Bob. Big up the whole of the hero them, but Bob, me come see Bob, I do something where me drop him as my hero, but Nanny, Bogle, Sam Sharp, the whole of them. Yeah. Salute.
All right. Well, with that, a time for performance.
Shizzle.
And we know what say you find it.
Give me the floor.
Stage is yours.
Yeah, to go.
Proper.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, so that's an Elephant Man find it. Big up to Latanya and the dance. Mad. Black nice. Mad thing. Elephant, you tell people where them can find you on social media.
Elephant Man Jamaica. Oh, we don't need this.
Yeah.
No. Well, Elephant Man Jamaica, right here. Instagram.
All right.
Mad thing. Big up to Cecile and the audience who want
man.
Scatter.
Mad thing.
Left side.
Conley. Big up.
Everybody there. All right, everybody. So we're wishing you a blessed Heroes Weekend. Be safe. Catch us back on when? Tuesday?
Yeah, man. We'll be back on Tuesday. With much more vibe, chat, and
buzz and mix.
mad things.